In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto-approval of posts in a Facebook group so members' posts can appear without waiting for manual approval. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Groups and select the group you manage. Once the group page opens, tap the Manage or Admin Tools option to access the group management settings. Inside the Admin Tools section, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. Now look for the Post Approval option and tap it to open the settings. By default, many groups require admin approval before posts appear. To enable automatic approval, turn off the Approve All Member Posts option. When this option is disabled, posts shared by members will appear in the group immediately without waiting for admin review. You can also manage other posting options here if needed. After making the change, go back to your group and the new setting will be applied automatically. Members can now share posts freely, and they will appear in the group right away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.